Yo, what's good, world? What's good? It's your boy Preezy the Kid, back at it again. More sage words of advice, motivation, wisdom, encouragement, all that. Today's another opportunity to be great. Let's go get it with a fervor and a zest. Before you tune into this video, if you enjoy the content, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and click the notification bell so you can receive more inspirational and informative content. But the message I got for today, for this afternoon, is you can't pay attention to the crowd. You got to stay focused on your path, what you're doing, your goals, what you got on the docket to further your own progress. Because people that's in the crowd, they're in the crowd for a reason. They're talking, they're critiquing other people because they ain't got much going on in their lives. If they did, they wouldn't have the time to fixate on what other people are doing, how they're doing, and whether they approve of it or not, and that even extends to people in your own life that that are giving critiques about you, that are even being like indifferent or just bringing negative vibes. You can't worry about that. You gotta stay focused on the task at hand. You gotta delve in on your craft. You gotta be so focused on your craft, on your own progress, on what you have to do that you don't even notice that. You have to cancel out the noise, cancel out the static. That's like if you look at an NBA player when they're at the free throw line and you're looking, even if you play like 2K or anything, like if you're looking at the free throw line and you're shooting, you can see the crowd. And if you're at like an away game, it's people shouting, they waving, they trying to distract you. But the good players, they can cancel out all the noise, everything around them, and it's just them in the basket. And that's how you gotta be with whatever you do, whether it's writing, singing, doing anything you do, like it can even be like a day job, when times get tough and everything around you is swirling. You got to be able to cancel that out. You got to be able to cancel out the crowd, cancel out those things so that you can focus and you can accomplish what you're trying to accomplish, So if you spend too much time yapping and worry about the crowd or partaking in the gossip that they do and wondering and worrying about what they have to say, then that just takes away from your own grind, from you living the life that you want to live and reaching your full potential. So always keep in mind of that. Don't pay too much attention to the crowd, whether they're indifferent, whether they being negative or even positive. Like it even goes to when it's positive. Like it's good to accept positive reinforcement, but you can't get too caught up in that, in the praise either. Like it's not only from a negative standpoint, but also from a positive. You can't get caught too much up in that, because that's how people fall off too. When you get drunk off the praise of other people. But just a little something to keep in mind, and that applies to myself first and foremost. I just decided that I share with y'all, but that's the message for the day. It's your boy Preezy. Peace.